welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, what I'm going to share with you is how I make a maraschino cherry pound cake. And this pound cake I like to do for the holidays, for gift giving. I mean, this year has been totally chaotic with a whole lot of things, with the virus, with the election, with just everything. And I think that we're ready for a little bit of a break. And in the kitchen, what better thing to do to make things for family and friends that'll put a smile on their face. Today I'm going to show you how I make this maraschino cherry pound cake. If you have any questions about the recipe, guys, as always, leave your questions in the comments and I will get back with you. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so. The link will be right there. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and YouTube will notify you every time I upload a video. Recipe and items I use will always be listed in the description box below. So if you are interested in learning how I make my maraschino cherry pound cake, just keep watching. Okay guys, let's get started. Alrighty, to start the recipe, we are going to start with our butter and our shortening. And we're going to cream this along with our sugar until it's very light and fluffy. We're going to cream this for about 2 minutes, okay? Okay, we're going to take this down and we're going to scrape everything off the bottom, and we're going to start adding the eggs one at a time. Okay, we're going to bring it up. I'm going to add an egg. Okay, now I'm going to stop it. Everything looks real nice and creamy, but I want to make sure that everything is off the bottom. Real nice and fluffy. Look at that. Okay, and now we're going to add in our vanilla and the juice of the maraschino cherries. We're going to beat that together for just a minute. Okay, now we're going to start adding in the flour a little bit at a time, and we're going to add in, rotating it with some milk. Okay, so we're going to beat that slowly. Okay, one more time. We have to scrape everything down. Now we are going to throw in our cherries and our pecans. And we're going to mix this in. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to transfer you over to the counter where we're going to put this into our baking pans, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have my pans here. This is a 5.4 by 9.1 by 2.7. I have two. Sometimes I use 3 of them. I personally don't like to make mine really high because they take a long time to bake in the oven and it tends to dry out. So I like to transfer this into 2 pans. Okay, now that I have everything here separated, I'm just going to take a little offset spatula. I just decided to do it into 2 pans. Try to get it even. And we have the oven preheating to 325. And these are going to cook approximately hour and 15 minutes. Everybody's oven is different, so you need to test yours at about 50 minutes so you can gauge yourself so that the cakes don't dry up. Okay guys, so it's going to look just like that, and I will be back after these are finished baking. Okay, the cakes have been out of the oven. They were in the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and this is what they look like. And they smell scrumptious. Okay, now we are going to make the icing that we're going to add on top. I have some powdered sugar, and I have a whisk. We are going to add some of that cherry juice that we had reserved. We're going to start off with just 2 spoons of the cherry juice and some half and half. We're just going to give this a whisk. Add as you need it so that it doesn't get too runny. And it gives it this real pretty pink color. And of course we're going to need some more there. So I'm going to add some more, half and half. Okay, here we go. See how cute that looks, that pink color? Okay, just get all the lumps out and you're good. Okay, and then we just take our cakes, put them here where you can see them, and just drizzle as much as you want to. And I just take some on my spoon and I just start to drizzle it. Okay, and after that's done, I just sprinkle some more pecans on top. Okay, and there we go. Look at that, how pretty that is. Now, we're just going to let this cool completely, and the icing will just get a little bit more firm, and it's easy for us to cut. So after this is ready, I will be back so we can cut a piece. Okay, these are ready to be cut. Let's cut a slice so you can see what it looks like on the inside. Look at how pretty that looks. That is so yummy. All the cherries and the pecans, and you can tell how moist this cake is. It's not dry. Look at that. This is just the tail end of it, but look at how delicious that looks. Let's give this a try. Okay, let's give this a try. I can't wait. This looks delicious. Very good, guys. It's very moist. It's not overly sweet. You can bite into the little cherries and it tastes so good. And then of course the frosting, the icing on top just, oh my goodness, takes it way over the top. This cake is very good, guys. I hope y'all give it a try. Okay guys, this is going to conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And all the information will be left in the description box below. So take a look there for the recipe and any information. Okay guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.